Hello, good day. It's Tunde from ScriptsNG. Welcome to the installation guide for the multi-level marketing script. Uh, this multi-level marketing script is the first matrix MLM, and it works with the 3x2 concept, which means it has a width. That's a width, horizontal width of 3 and a depth of 2. I'm going to be showing you how that works later in this video, but firstly I'm going to be installing the script. Then I'm going to be moving to show you what a 3x2 matrix MLM system is, how it works, and thirdly I'm going to be showing you how the system is working after being installed. So join me as we start this wonderful video. Don't forget that this video is courtesy ScriptsNG. Our official website is www.scripts.com.ng. The demo for this particular script is at scripts mlm1.scriptsng.tech. It is in the picture for this video, and it is in the description below. So join me as we start by installing the script. So this is the cPanel I'm trying to install on. After providing my credentials, I'm trying to log in right now. So after logging in, I have to go to my file manager in a bit to put the file I just bought from ScriptsNG. So I'm installing under mlm1.scriptsng.tech. Don't forget that this is the domain for the demo as well. So this is the script. What I just need to do is to click on upload so that I can upload the script as bought from ScriptsNG. We have the script here, MLM1 official. Here's the script. So I have to upload the script. Now, having uploaded the script, I have to extract the script as well. So I have to come here to click on extract. So once I'm done extracting, I have all these files here. So the next thing to do is to go back to your cPanel and go to create database. So you have to go to database and create a new database for this installation. As you can see, I'm trying to locate my database, my SQL database. So you create the database and the database user, as I am trying to do. So the name of the database I'm trying to create is MLM1. You come to click on create database, and after that is done, you come to create a new user as well, MLM1. Then you give it a password. Then you click on create. So after you finish creating the user, you have to add the user to the database, MLM1, and click on add. Then you tick all privileges over here so that all privileges are enabled, and you click on make changes. Good. Then when you are done doing that, you go back to your file manager. And click on core. Then when you click on core, you locate the file named .env, right click on it and click on code edit. So you have this. Over here you come to the database and put your database name, the one you created. You put your database username too, the one you created, and you put the database password as well. Then you click on save changes. Once you are done doing that, you can now go to check your website, mlm.scriptsng.tech. You can now load it. As you can see, we have the website, beautiful interface. We have a very minimalistic design over here. ScriptsNG logo. This is the slider, about us, how it was, contact, sign in and register. Let me take you through a fast overview of how the website looks. We have the sign in and the register now carousel. We have the admin benefit explained. Our plans, the various plans, we have it in Naira here. You could change the currency from the admin back end. I'm going to show you how to do that in a jiffy. And a whole lot of fine design over here for the MLM first 3x2 matrix script, exclusive to ScriptsNG. Now before I move on, I have to show you how exactly the 3x2 first matrix system works. I mean, what it means to be 3 by 2 forced matrix system. What it actually means is that it has the script has the script has a width. The horizontal width consists 3 people. So that means you as the admin is here, and now we have 3 people: the first person, the first referral, the second referral, and the third referral. So that means that the width of the system is 3, while the depth of the system is 2, and that's where 3 by 2 comes on. So when the first person registers, the first person is under the admin, as you can see here. Then when the second person registers, is under the admin too. Likewise the third person. Now the fourth person goes automatically under the first person. So when the amount of the number of referrals under the first person is 3 again, it goes to the second person, then it goes to the third person after that as well, and that's how it goes on. So what it just means is that everybody is working for the betterment of the system. Not that one person is on his lane. No, everybody is working so that the system can work out perfectly well. So your referral does not even have to do much. So far you have a group that everybody wants to work, everybody wants to make sure people keep joining the system, because after the third person registers under level 1, then the level 2 begins, and the level 1 and level 2 incentives will be different. This could be set from the admin dashboard, which I'm about to show you. Now take this as example. If the plan price is 5,000 naira, this is an example. For this plan, users need to pay 5,000 naira as joining amount. From the 5,000 naira, 1,000 goes to level 1, then 3,000 naira goes to level 2, then 200 naira as referral bonus. Don't forget that all these figures could be altered, all these figures could be changed as you want your system to be. Then admin can set this dynamically from the admin dashboard, which I'm going to show you now. So when you deduct 1,000 and the 3,000 and the 200 from the 5,000 the person paid, the profit the site owner has is 800 naira. Don't forget that this can also be altered to give you more profit or lower profit, as the case may be. So users will get the first level is 3 people, so users will get 3 times 1,000 for the first level, which is 3,000, and 3 times 3 times 3,000 for the second level, which is 27,000. So a full circle for a particular user that invested 5,000 naira is capable of getting at most 30,000 naira within very short period of time, because the matrix system is quite small. So now let me walk you through the admin dashboard and the user dashboard. I'll start by walking you through the administrative dashboard. So to access the admin dashboard, you have to go to the site/admin, and you are going to log in with the admin details. You use username as admin and password as 123456. Then this is the admin dashboard. This is everything that is happening in the system at the moment. The total user is 1 and blah blah blah. We have the deposit method and everything. So everything on this system would actually be altered via this admin dashboard. But I'm going to show you the manage plan. Now I'm going to click on view all plan. Now this is the first plan, which is the basic plan. As you can see, if we edit this plan now, we'll be able to edit what the first level is going to get. Now let me edit what the first level is going to get as 1,200 now, and edit what the second level is going to get as 3,200, and edit the plan price to, let's say, 5,420. 5,420. The referral bonus, let me say 210. Immediately you click on update plan. What it does is that the plan changes and immediately it is effected on the home page of the website. So you don't have to go back to the home page and start editing the HTML. No, immediately you do this, it's going to show, it's going to be effected immediately on the home page. So now let's go and refresh the home page of the website. Let's go and refresh the home page. As you can see, we have 5,000 naira there before, prior, and now when we refresh, we'll see the change. So I just refreshed, and as you can see, the basic plan is now 5,420, and every other thing as we put it there. So it tells you the total you can get from the whole circle. It tells you, it calculates everything. The level 2, 3 times 3,200 gives you this. Everything on this script is automatic. So everything you have to do is to set up this script and start smiling to the bank, like day in, day out. Over here you can manage the users, you can block a user, you can verify a user. Over here you can change the site settings, you can change the content of this website, you can change what is under about us, what is under contact us, you can change everything over this admin dashboard. Now we have the withdraw tab. Anybody that places a withdrawal request, you see it over here. You can also add a withdrawal method, you can add a deposit method. This is where you put your account number as the admin. Now let's see. If I click on add manual method, you can add your account number so that when people wants to pay, they know the account to pay to manually. Then you can actually add an automatic method as well. This for the manual method. All you have to do is to put the name, the currency, the payment details, where you put your GT Bank account details. You can also edit the sliders over here. You can edit the about us page over here. You can edit the menu. You can impute different testimonials over here, and you can manage the subscription over here. Now we have the withdraw tab, as I said earlier. We have the deposit tab. We have the manage user. Now let's see. When you click on withdraw history, you see the list of the people that has requested to withdraw. As you can see, we have no entries found as of now. This is the about us page. As you can see, that the content here is what we have on the home page under the about us carousel over here. Is what we have here. So you can edit it as you want. You can put a picture, you can edit it. You don't have to have any web development skill before you set up this multi-level marketing platform. Then you click on update to. So now let's check what a user sees on a normal ground. So to log in as a user, you have to go to the website and register as a user. But for the admin dashboard, you log in with username admin and password is 123456. So we come to register over here. Click on register, and so this is the registration page. As you can see, we have the reference account or the individual account. The individual account means nobody has referred you, while the reference account means someone referred you. So you have to put the user ID here, and the person that referred you must give you his referral link. So this will be filled automatically. So I'm trying to create a user account now. I have demo user here. Then plan. As you can see, the basic plan will change to 5,420 as reflected here too. So the script is very, very responsive. Scripts ng. Then after you fill the form, you click on register now. Yeah, so after registration, you are meant to put your email verification code, which is automatically sent by the script to your email address. As you can see, here is it. It's in my mail already. Then you paste the verification code over here and click on verify now. So immediately it verifies it, it takes you to the dashboard. Can you see the awesome dashboard? So the username here is demo user, and immediately you get the referral link. So if you give someone this referral link and the person puts it in his browser, the name of the referral is automatically put in the referral link, field. So the plan I chose, which is the 5,420 plan, expired time, I have 1 day to confirm this and then make it active. This is my current balance, this is my total account, deposits, withdrawals. If I have people that are registered under me, I can have a view of their account via manage sub account. I can withdraw my funds here as a user. I can check my withdrawal history over here. I can deposit funds. I can check my deposit history. I can check my transaction log. I can get support by sending an email to the support team. Here's my matrix. If I click my matrix now, it shows you the tree. That's another great thing about this script. It shows you the script. Now this is me, the demo user, and these are the 3 slots for the level 1 I have to fill. So after I fill this level 1, if any of these members that I refers anybody, the person comes under this first person first until this first person levels 1 2 is filled by 3 people, and that's how it continues like that. So it is a system that works automatically by itself. So far the system is working, the admin is always smiling to the bank, the admin is always cashing out. So this makes this one of the best MLM scripts in the world. I repeat, it's one of the best MLM scripts in the world because everything works fast and directly. So this is the user, demo user, and the password for this user as well is 123456. Don't forget that you can make payment to buy this script with Bitcoin on our website www.scripts.com.ng, or you could make purchase by calling our phone number 0811 019 7961. As you can see over here, you can just call our phone number. You can chat us up via this line as well. You can chat us up. We'll provide support as much as possible to get your MLM program working perfectly well. We are so amazed at the release of this script, and we hope it does what exactly you want it to do for you. Until I see you next time, I'm Tunde from Scripts NG. Have a lovely time. Thank you and best regards.